So let me go ahead and just explain something really quick. We are getting ready to move into this house that had prior tenants, and it was a very messy eviction. Therefore, all of the appliances that were left behind need to be cleaned, like deep cleaned, like saturatedly deep cleaned. I cannot honestly say when the last time this oven was cleaned, but look at the work that the steam cleaner is doing on this oven. Again, I have no idea how old these stains are. The prior tenants were in this house for 4 years. By the looks of it, it looks like this oven has not been cleaned during that entire duration. You could spend your money on every and any product that says they deep clean, they tough clean, they do all the crazy things that this steam cleaner seems to be doing with just hot water. And all I do is pay $30 for the steam cleaner, add a little water, turn it on, and look at the magic that it's doing. Am I saying it's going to take only one step to do this? No, absolutely not. It's going to take a couple tries with the steam cleaner just to get this oven cleaned. But again, look at the result after just one go. Before you start thinking, why would I want a steam cleaner when I have all of these cleaning products? Well, think about how much money you spent on those cleaning products and they really don't do much. When all I did was spend $30 one time, put some water in a steam cleaner, let some hot water do its magic, and there you go. Almost brand new. You can use a steam cleaner on virtually anything in your household that needs to be cleaned. It's very easy to use. It comes with all these great little tools that you can use for such things. You can even steam clean your windows, and it comes out with a much better shine than Windex could ever give it. Am I saying the steam cleaner will bring up 4-year-old stains? No, but it would definitely make it look almost brand new. Now I have to deep dive into our least favorite place in the whole world, the inside of the oven. Now, when was the last time you cleaned your oven? I can tell you who never did. Take a gander. Now, I did unfortunately run out of water here, but look at the difference. Just go get it in my shop.